2nd of May this year. The reasons for that I would not want to go into, but just to indicate that there are some additional documents that are outstanding that will be pertinent to the application. And so the matter is fixed for the 2nd of May when it will be heard in terms of an application for bail.
Now, besides today, what else supposed to happen on that day? Just the application?
No. Prior to that, the documents that I made mention of earlier in terms of being integral to an application for bail, an order has been made for those documentation to be furnished before the date of the 2nd of May. As you appreciate, I am constrained. I can't speak beyond that. Mr. Riley and I cannot go into the details of it. The court, from the initial appearance of Mr. Silvera in January, made certain orders, and we have to abide by those orders as counsel.
How your client doing?
Under the circumstances, he is, as one would expect, very concerned, very apprehensive, very anxious. His position is consistent in terms of his honesty and his innocence. But under the circumstances, he appreciates the position and why it was adjourned onto the next date.
And if you can part was successful, the application so that he can remand it forward.
Anyone in his position would be looking forward to a successful application for bail. So, in those circumstances, to answer your question, absolutely.